I want to introduce you into a concept that's called critical driver, and it's really important for you to understand this and to identify the critical drivers to your business. So the idea here is this: we are currently designing the machine of our marketing. So that machine has the goal of producing us leads or actually paying customer. That's the outcome that we want from this kind of a systematic machine. Okay, so now we need to understand what are the actions that we need to take in order for this machine to run. Okay, so let's go back into our example with the funnel that's based on an Instagram as a channel. Okay, and by this point, you have maybe already picked up your marketing channel and defined your funnel. So now let's look at this funnel and think, what are the critical drivers? What are the actions that we actually need to perform on a daily base, weekly base, monthly base in order for this funnel to keep producing on a systematic level paying clients for us? So if we want to have 100 people per week, for example, visiting our Instagram profile, that means we need to post content. Okay, so the action here, the critical driver here is posting content. Now it might be posting one post per week. It might be posting every day. It might be posting and using stories. The actual action itself might define, but the critical driver that you need to make sure that you consistently perform is the posting of the content. Then after people have actually submitted a contact form on our website, we need to actively reply their emails and schedule calls. So this is another critical driver that we need to make sure that we're performing consistently under good performance. In this example, it might be that we are replying in a timely manner and that we're using some kind of an efficient process to schedule the calls. Now, after scheduling the calls, we actually need to take the calls. It sounds basic, but are you actually tracking if you are taking all the calls, if you're performing well on the calls? Because that's a really critical driver that might impact how many people actually from the calls end up signing the proposals. Now, between the call and signing the contract, you actually need to send a proposal and close the deal. So all of these things, sending the proposal, is also a critical driver to your business. Now, it's really important to make sure that we know what these critical drivers are so we can track their performance. Either are we doing enough of them? Are we performing them good enough? So understanding because here in this example, for example, understanding these critical drivers might be the thing that you want to change in order to grow your business. So if you understand that in this funnel example, posting one post per week generate 100 visits, which means one paying customer, you can understand that maybe if you up the critical driver, if you move this to 2 posts per week or 3 or 4, you might scale your funnel. So understanding what each of these levers are and how to move them in order to scale or improve your business is critical. Okay, so what you need to do this week is to understand what are the critical actions that you need to perform every week or every day to make sure that your funnel is full and flowing optimally.